From VOA, Learning English, this is the Economics Report. The International Monetary Fund says sanctions linked to the crisis in Ukraine could end up hurting Russia's economy. The IMF says the sanctions could lead to a 9% drop in Russia's gross domestic product, or GDP, the value of all its goods and services. The Russian economy shrank over the past year because of Western measures aimed at punishing Russia for its actions in Ukraine. Russian measures against the West also hurt its economy. In addition, low prices for oil exports increased pressure on the value of Russian money and the country's finances. Now, the Russian economy is showing signs of stabilizing. The economy no longer appears to be as weak as it once was. Last year, Western countries limited financing for major Russian banks and energy companies. The West also restricted high technology exports to Russia's energy industry. In reaction, the Russian government banned imports of most Western food products. The IMF estimated the immediate effect of sanctions and Russian actions against the West reduced Russia's gross domestic product by up to 1.5%. The IMF said Russia would return to economic growth next year, saying financial conditions in the country would normalize. It predicted weak economic growth of about 1.5% a year in coming years. However, the international lender urged Russia to reduce state involvement in the economy and to protect property rights and increase competition. For VOA Learning English, I'm Jonathan Evans.